Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to replace the bulb in the taillight of a Honda Pilot. This is a second generation model from 2011. Doing a quick test, as you can see the brake light is burnt out on the passenger side of the vehicle. If you are checking the lights yourself, you can potentially use something to wedge between the seat and the brake pedal in order to activate the brake light circuit to check if the lights are working correctly. First is opening the hatch. There will be 2 Phillips screws on the inside edge of the light. These also have a hex on the outside, so you can use a socket instead. Next, using a nylon trim tool, there will be 2 clips on the outside of the light that need to be disconnected. Gently pry between the light lens and the body of the vehicle. Do not put excessive force, as you can potentially damage the body panel. Once it's popped out, then pull the taillight out. Each taillight has 4 bulbs in total. It's important to check all of them to ensure they are functioning correctly. To remove each of the bulbs, grab onto the light socket and turn it counterclockwise about a quarter turn and then pull it straight out. All of these sockets are the same. Each of the bulbs simply slide into the socket. So to remove that bulb, grab onto it and then pull it straight out. Install the new bulb by pushing it into place and make sure it does work before installing the light back into place. You may need to rotate the bulb 180 degrees to ensure the connections are in the appropriate spot. I went to my local auto parts store, gave them the year, make and model of the vehicle, and they were able to look up the bulb types. During this video, I also noticed that the small side marker light was burnt out too. So I ended up purchasing some extra bulbs to replace them here as well. After that, align those tabs to the light socket. These are different sizes, so it only fits in one orientation. Once pushed into place, then turn the socket clockwise until it stops. Finally, it can be put back into place. Make sure those tabs on the outer edge are aligned with the spots that they lock into the body, then push the light into place. Reinstall those 2 Phillips fasteners. After that, you can then close the tailgate and you're officially done. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.